Hello guys and welcome. Today we have this interesting question right here. X to the 6th power plus x to the 3rd power is equal to 1. And we have to figure out the value of x that will satisfy this equation. But x is a real number. Before we start, subscribe to my channel if you're new and let's begin. X to the 6th power right here could be written as x to the 3rd power then all to the 2nd power plus this right here, x to the 3rd power, and this is equal to 1. Let's maintain this one right here. Now that we have this, we can go ahead and then let m be equal to x to the 3rd power, so that the equation will now become m to the 2nd power plus m is equal to 1. The fact that we have m squared means that we have a quadratic equation. Actually, factoring method cannot solve this quadratic equation. And we have also been using the quadratic formula a couple of times now, so let's use method of completing the squares. So for that method, in fact, we're going to maintain m to the 2nd power plus m. Then the next step, we will find the coefficient of m, which is 1, divide that by 2. So we will have plus 1 divided by 2, then square it. So I'm going to square this right here. And then do the same thing on the right. So we have 1 over 2 all squared. Now the reason is simple. We just want the left-hand side to be a perfect square. That is how come we added this to each side of the equation. So now that we have this, it means that the whole of this is a perfect square, which could also be written as m plus 1/2 all squared. If you simplify this or if you expand this, you'll be getting this back. So we have done nothing to it. And this is equal to 1 plus, simplifying this, we have 1 over 4. Easy. Let's keep the left hand side. We have m plus 1 over 2 all squared, and this is equal to, let's simplify this. The LCM is going to be 4. 1 goes into 4 times this one, making 4. Then this goes into this 1 time, times 1. So everything on the numerator side is going to be 5. Easy. We are looking for m this time, and we have this. Actually, there's a square here. So let's go ahead and then take square root on each side of the equation, just like that. But don't forget the plus or minus. So that this square and this will go now. On the left hand side, we have m plus 1/2 is equal to, the right hand side is plus or minus. Actually, this could be written as square root of 5 divided by 2. We are looking for m, so let's transpose this 1/2 so that we'll get m is equal to plus or minus square root of 5 over 2 minus 1/2, just like that. In fact, we can combine these two fractions so that m will actually be plus or minus square root of 5 minus 1 all divided by 2. Now that we know the value of m, we can actually find what we are looking for, that is x. So I'm going to get rid of everything right here so that we will find x. We have two values for m. The first one is m is equal to square root of 5 minus 1 all divided by 2. Then the second one is m is equal to minus square root of 5 minus 1 all divided by 2. Cool. But remember, we let m equal to x to the 3rd power. So therefore, x to the 3rd power is actually equal to square root of 5 minus 1 all divided by 2. We are looking for x and we have x to the 3rd power right here. What should we do? Let's go ahead and then take cube root on each side of the equation, just like that. And this will go. On the left hand side, we are left with x, and this is equal to, now because cube root, this number right here is odd, we don't need to bring plus or minus, take note. So we are left with the cube root of square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2, just like that. If you use a calculator for this, you will get x approximately equal to 0.85180 as one of the solutions. So now let's go ahead and then find the other value for x right from here. Let me get rid of this really quick. Now when m is equal to this, we have x to the 3rd power is equal to negative square root of 5 minus 1 all divided by 2. Actually, we can factor out -1 so that x to the third power will be equal to -1 times square root of 5 plus 1 divided by 2, just like that. We are looking for x, so still we will take cube root on each side of the equation. But here, this is where the attention is, that's why I've written it again. You have cube root of -1 times cube root of square root of 5 plus 1 divided by 2, just like that. Easy. So this and this will go. We have x is equal to, take note, cube root of -1 is -1. So I'm going to put negative right here. Then we are left with cube root of square root of 5 plus 1 divided by 2, just like that. Cool. And now if you use a calculator for this, you will get x approximately equal to -1.1740. And this is the other value for x. If you replace the x right here with any of this, you'll be getting approximately 1. So guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you found the video useful. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment, and share to your friends. See you again on the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. And thanks for watching.